Hello, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Mural Maker to paint some interesting designs for Halloween. When you first open up the app, you will see a plus button on the top right corner, and it will show you two options that you can use, the camera device or the drawing device. I recommend using your phone as the camera device. And then you can scroll through your photos and choose an image you want to trace. When you're actually setting this up to draw, you want it parallel to the wall. Other than that, the app works just like the Vinci Eye app. You can change the position so it's the right size and the right placement. And then when you're done sizing that and locking the position, you can zoom in to the areas that you're going to trace. Now for the second device, press the Mural Maker app. Press the plus button on the top right corner, and then it will give you the same options, camera device or drawing device. We're going to use it as the drawing device. Press the yes button for this. And then it should just pop up and it will look identical to what you see on your phone. And you can control it from the drawing device as well. So you can change the placement of it and how large it is. A little tip for you, if you want it to be perfectly parallel and squared off, look at the edges of your drawing surface and line them up to the corners of the squares. You can also use the strobe feature so that you can see your reference photo and your drawing surface for comparison. I'm just going to show you what it looks like when you're setting it up to get ready to draw or paint. Now what I'm doing is tracing by looking through my tablet, not directly at my phone. When I'm doing window paintings, I like to trace with a dry erase marker, just in case if I make a big mistake, it's an easy erase and easy fix. So the paint I am using is acrylic paint. I chose this for one particular reason. It's outside and it snows either before, after, or during Halloween, and I don't want it to get wrecked. I also chose to paint this on the outside of my window because when I paint it on the inside, the reflection distorts the image, and I don't like that. And you paint it in the order in which you would normally paint anything. If you want to paint it from the inside, you want to make sure you're doing the details first. Just so you know, if you are using acrylic paint to do this, it is going to take a little bit of extra work to get it off. I recommend using a window scraper blade and also steel wool to get it off. Now I got a few little helpers to help me put the last little bit of details for the Halloween season. Here we go, the final results. Do you think it turned out pretty good? And are you going to try this on your house? Let me know in the comments.